There you go. Good girl. Good girl. You're doing really well. You want to come? You want to come? You want to come? You want to go swim? Let's go swim. Come on, sweetie. Let's go. Let's go. We're going to do one loop. We're just going to do one loop with Elizabeth, okay? Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go willingly. Let's go willingly. You'll be okay. There you go. Come on. Come on. Good girl. There you go. Let's go. You want the lead? Let's take a whole second. There we go. There we go. Good girl. You're doing so well. Okay. Okay. You ready to do the home stretch back to Mama? Go to Mama.
Come on, Rattles. Good girl.
Good girl.
You did it.
You're so good.
Oh, there she goes. Good job, Rattles.
Okay, it'll be a lot easier to catch this time around. Back in the water. Come on, good girl. Good girl. You want to make one more try? Can you make one more try? Huh? You can do one more try. Yeah, come on. Down the second step.
Good girl.
Good girl. Come on. You can come with me. You can come with Elizabeth. Come on. I'll take you. I'll take you. It'll be okay. Here, catch some water. There you go. Yeah, you catch that water. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go. There you go, you're doing it. Keep your head up. There you go. Swim, 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 swim. There we go. There we go. Oh my gosh, you're doing so good. You got those home feet going? Okay, go for it. There you go. Go for it.
Rattle! Good champion! You're gonna shake. Wait, there she goes. Well done, Rattle.
You did a good job, Rattle. You did a really good job.